NIPER Ahmedabad, a relentless pursuit of innovation and research.
The wave of globalization has propelled the growth of pharmaceutical industry. The NIPER Ahmedabad is established with the mandate to mediate the growing demand of healthcare sector. Our institute is working in the basic and applied areas of diabetes, cancer and neurodegeneration. Our labs are designed to promote interdisciplinary research to reach up to the translational goal. Our faculties and students are working hard to meet the high standards of research through national and international collaborations. The National Center for Medical Devices at NIPER Ahmedabad is aimed to support the medical device industry. Our students are getting 100% placement in leading pharmaceutical companies and taking forward the zeal of research by pursuing higher education.
NIPER Ahmedabad was established as an Act of Parliament in the year 2007 with a view to promote pharmaceutical education and research in India. In order to fulfill the aim and objectives of Government of India, Gujarat government has also cooperated and generously provided 60 acres of land to NIPER Ahmedabad. In the year 2007, Institute started functioning with 3 streams of MS Pharm, Biotechnology, Natural Products and Pharmaceutics. In 2010, 3 more streams were added, namely Medicinal Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Analysis and Pharmacology and Toxicology. In 2012, an addition of a stream, namely Medical Devices, was another endeavor by NIPER Ahmedabad to nurture the growing demand of medical devices sector of India. I am confident that NIPER Ahmedabad would serve as a good launching platform to revamp the pharmaceutical education of India.
NIPER Ahmedabad is constituted by a small-knit community of world-class faculty and some of the nation's finest students.
Welcome to the Chemical Biology Lab. This lab works on a central tenet where the molecules are rationally designed, synthesized and computationally validated against 3 major disease areas, which are diabetes, neurodegeneration and cancer.
Newer methodologies such as CH activation can lead to the generation of various scaffolds. We can apply this strategy for the late-stage fluorination on drug-like molecules to enhance their bioactivity.
In the Chemical Biology Lab, we also work in the area of natural product chemistry, where we synthesize the new chemical entities of natural scaffolds for anti-TB, anti-diabetic and anti-cancer leads.
We conduct in vitro in vivo pharmacokinetic studies, plasma phytopharmacology studies using phytoconstituents and herbal extracts. We are also dealing with in vitro in vivo hub-drug interaction studies.
Welcome to Chemical Biology Lab, which deals with molecular biology, biotechnology and stem cells. In stem cells, we are reprogramming the somatic cells to behave like stem cells and its further differentiation for its use in various cell-based therapy.
We are working on genomic and proteomic markers of diabetes and its microvascular complications, and also we are working on role of microRNA in epigenetics and pathogenesis of diabetic nephropathy.
Translational biotechnology includes biomaterial and tissue engineering approaches for creating medical devices. Our aim is to develop bioengineered cellular niches mimicking in vivo microenvironment for tissue repair and regeneration.
Welcome to Drug Discovery Lab. Drug Discovery Lab is an amalgamation of 3 streams which includes pharmaceutics, medical devices and pharmaceutical analysis. In our lab, we are specifically working on exploring the potential of lipids in enhancing or modulating delivery of drug across blood-brain barrier in various brain disorders, solid-state characterization studies with focus on thermal characterization.
In the department, we are focused on formulation and characterization of different drug delivery systems through oral route and transdermal route. We are also focused on developing targeted drug delivery systems to brain, nasal route and lymphatic tissues.
Merger of gene therapy and nanotechnology has shown promising capacity in treating resistant and metastatic tumors. Our research work in pharmaceutics research laboratory is basically focusing towards development of novel biopolymeric approaches to overcome endosomal degradation of gene therapeutics.
Research of medical devices is highly interdisciplinary. It requires refined innovations to counter contemporary challenges. In our lab, we are working on smart biomaterials for articular surface regeneration and repair in collaboration with researchers from Johns Hopkins University. We are also working on alternative strategies for cancer diagnostics such as magnetic hyperthermia and photodynamic therapy.
Our research lab is working on ocular and cardiovascular implants. We are using various biopolymers, ceramics and composites in the different form of scaffolds. Now we are extending towards biosensor research.
In the current drug discovery and development process, pharmaceutical analysis is playing important role. In our labs, we are majorly focusing on development of novel analytical methods according to ICH and FDA guidelines. We are conducting stability studies and impurity profiling of drugs.
Welcome to the regulatory lab. We as a team are working on different aspects of neurodegenerative diseases, and our lab focuses on ischemic stroke and its intervention by stem cell therapy. We have started international collaborations with Harvard Medical School, Boston, where we are looking into the aspects of ischemia-induced optic neuropathy.
Our lab is focused on molecular and behavioral neuroscience, dedicated to understanding the key signaling mechanisms involved in several neurodegenerative disorders, including chronic neuropathic pain, drug addiction, and Alzheimer's disease. In collaboration with researchers from Johns Hopkins and Harvard Medical School, we are trying to dissect the neuronal circuitries which are involved in pain relief versus drug addiction.
This is the central instrumentation facility. We do the qualitative and the quantitative analysis of various samples. In separation and isolation techniques, we had a GC, HPLC, GPC and fresh chromatography. For identification of various molecules, we use FTIR, ATIR, UV and polarimeter. For thermal analysis, we have DSC and TGA. We also have high-end instruments such as porositymeter and ultracentrifuge.
Classrooms offer a conducive environment for stimulating the exchange of intellectual thoughts and generating inspiration. The Institute has an enriched library to quench inquisitive minds for extensive research and serves to bridge students and researchers towards academic excellence. The vast auditorium is capable of hosting large-scale conferences and seminars.
Studying at NIPER Ahmedabad has been one of the most amazing experiences in my life. It has made me competent enough in my field and has also served as an excellent platform to jumpstart my industrial career.
NIPER Ahmedabad has always provided a common platform for students from different parts of the country to express their ideas and innovations.
NIPER Ahmedabad encourages us not only in academic research but also in the extracurricular activities such as sports, drama, elocution competition, which helps in overall personality development of the student.
Being a NIPERite has always been a privilege. NIPER Ahmedabad provides us a platform where we can explore our hidden strengths. The multidisciplinary approach has expanded my horizons as a researcher, and I wish to express a deep sense of gratitude to my institute for sowing the seeds of research in the folds of my mind.
Students and staff celebrate various festivals around the year, such as Foundation Day, Republic Day and Independence Day, Hindi Pakwara and Ganesh Utsav. The Institute also hosts events such as the Job Fair, Vigilance Week, Unity Day, and it also hosts honorable guests such as Shri Mansukh Mandavia, Union Minister of State, Chemicals and Fertilizers, and Y.K. Gupta. NIPER Ahmedabad also provides its students with indoor and outdoor sports and games to invigorate and revitalize both body and mind.
PhD at NIPER Ahmedabad,
An institute of multidisciplinary research,
Believes in translating ideas into innovation
That encompasses diverse research,
promoting excellence in
molecular and cellular therapeutics,
biomaterial and tissue engineering, semi-synthetic and synthetic moieties,
And their qualitative and quantitative analysis, including pharmacology and toxicology aspects.
collaborating for advancement in drug discovery.
that eventually leads to novel formulation.
we work towards a healthy society.
We are proud to be NIPERites.